Did you know that daily masturbation might have unexpected effects on the prostate? It's a topic that might not come up often in everyday conversation, but it's an important one, especially as we get older. As men age, prostate health becomes a significant concern. You might be wondering how something as personal as masturbation could play a role in this. Well, many are unaware of how lifestyle choices, like masturbation, can impact this vital gland. Today, we're diving into a fascinating subject, the strange changes that occur in the prostate of men who masturbate daily. It's a topic that combines curiosity with health awareness, and it's something that could be quite relevant to you or someone you know. By watching this video, you'll gain insights into how daily habits can influence prostate health and what it means for you. Now, let's set the stage a bit. The prostate is a small gland, about the size of a walnut, located just below the bladder. It's responsible for producing a fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. As men age, the prostate can become a source of health issues, such as enlargement or even cancer. That's why understanding how different factors affect it is crucial. You might be asking yourself, why focus on masturbation? Well, it's a common activity, and like many aspects of our health, it's influenced by our daily routines. Some studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through sex or masturbation, might have protective effects on the prostate. But what happens when this becomes a daily habit? That's where things get interesting. Imagine your daily routine. You might have a morning walk, a cup of coffee, or a favorite book you like to read. These habits shape your day and, over time, your health. Similarly, daily masturbation could be shaping your prostate health in ways you might not expect. It's not just about the act itself, but how it fits into your overall lifestyle. Of course, there are potential challenges. You might be concerned about whether this habit is beneficial or if it could lead to issues down the line. It's natural to have questions, and that's why we're here to explore this topic together. We'll look at the science, the myths, and the realities, all with the aim of providing you with a clearer picture. So, if you're curious about maintaining prostate health, like this video and subscribe for more insights. We're here to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your health. Remember, it's all about understanding how your daily choices can impact your well-being. Let's continue this journey together and uncover the surprising ways our habits can influence our health. Let's dive into understanding the prostate, a small but significant part of male reproductive health. You might be wondering why this little gland is so important. Well, the prostate is responsible for producing seminal fluid, which is a key component of semen. This fluid helps nourish and transport sperm, playing a crucial role in reproduction. So, even though it's small, about the size of a walnut, it has a big job to do. Now, where exactly is the prostate located? It's situated just below the bladder and in front of the rectum. This location is important because it surrounds part of the urethra, the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. As men age, the prostate can sometimes grow larger, which can affect how well it functions and can lead to some common issues. But don't worry, we'll get into those a bit later. Understanding the prostate's role in reproduction is essential. It doesn't just produce seminal fluid, it also helps propel this fluid during ejaculation. This means that the prostate is actively involved in the process of reproduction, ensuring that sperm can reach their destination. It's fascinating how such a small gland can have such a significant impact on the reproductive system. As men get older, it's not uncommon for the prostate to experience some changes. One of the most common issues is benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, which is simply an enlarged prostate. This condition can lead to urinary problems, like difficulty starting urination or a frequent need to go. It's a natural part of aging for many men, but it can be managed with lifestyle changes and medical treatments if necessary. Another issue that can arise is prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate. This can be caused by an infection or other factors and can lead to discomfort or pain. Again, there are treatments available, and it's important to talk to a healthcare provider if you experience any symptoms. Understanding these common issues is crucial because it helps you make informed decisions about your health. Knowing what to expect as you age can empower you to take proactive steps to maintain your well-being. It's all about being aware and taking action when needed. Now, you might be wondering why we're talking about the prostate in the context of daily habits like masturbation. Well, understanding how the prostate works and the role it plays in your body can help you see how different lifestyle choices might affect it. For instance, some studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through sex or masturbation, might have a protective effect on the prostate. It could potentially reduce the risk of certain prostate issues, although more research is needed to fully understand this relationship. The key takeaway here is that being informed about your prostate and how it functions can help you make better choices for your health. It's not just about understanding the potential issues, but also about recognizing the positive steps you can take to support your prostate health. So, what can you do to keep your prostate healthy? Staying active, eating a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are all great starting points. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are also important, especially as you get older. They can help monitor your prostate health and catch any potential issues early on. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your prostate and how it works, you're taking an important step towards maintaining your overall health. It's all about being proactive and making informed choices. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. What do you know about the prostate, and how do you take care of your health? Feel free to share your experiences and insights. It's always great to learn from each other and support one another on this journey to better health. Let's talk about something that's often considered a bit of a taboo subject, but really shouldn't be. Masturbation is a normal and common activity among men of all ages, including older adults. It's something that many people engage in for a variety of reasons, and it's important to understand that it's a natural part of life. So, let's dive into why this is such a common practice and what it means for you. First off, one of the main reasons people masturbate is for stress relief. Life can be full of pressures, whether it's from work, family, or just the day-to-day challenges we all face. Masturbation can be a way to unwind and release some of that built-up tension. It's a private moment where you can focus on yourself and let go of stress, even if just for a little while. This can be particularly beneficial as we get older and face new kinds of stresses, like health concerns or changes in lifestyle. Another reason people turn to masturbation is to explore their own sexual health. It's a way to understand what feels good and what doesn't, which can be incredibly empowering. Knowing your own body and what you enjoy can enhance your overall sexual well-being. This self-exploration is not just for the young, it's equally important for older adults. As our bodies change with age, so do our sexual responses, and masturbation can help you stay in tune with those changes. It's also worth noting that masturbation is quite common among older adults. You might be surprised to learn that many people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond continue to enjoy this practice. It's a myth that sexual activity stops as we age. In fact, maintaining a healthy sexual life can contribute to overall well-being and happiness. So, if you find yourself engaging in this activity, know that you're not alone. It's a normal part of life for many people, regardless of age. Now, let's talk about frequency. How often someone chooses to masturbate can vary widely from person to person. Some might do it daily, while others might only feel the urge occasionally. There's no right or wrong frequency. It's all about what feels right for you. It's important to listen to your body and do what feels comfortable. Remember, it's a personal choice, and there's no need to compare yourself to others. Cultural perceptions of masturbation have also evolved over the years. In the past, it was often seen as something shameful or embarrassing, but today, there's a growing understanding that it's a healthy and normal part of life. This shift in perception is crucial because it allows us to talk about masturbation without stigma. By recognizing it as a common practice, we can have open and honest discussions about its effects and benefits. I want to share a personal anecdote that might resonate with you. I remember a conversation with a friend who, in his 70s, confided that he still enjoyed masturbation. He spoke about how it helped him feel connected to his body and provided a sense of comfort and relaxation. He also mentioned how much perceptions have changed since he was younger. Back then, it was something people didn't talk about, but now he feels more comfortable discussing it openly. This openness has allowed him to embrace this aspect of his life without feeling any shame. So, as we wrap up this section, I encourage you to think about how perceptions of masturbation have changed over the years. It's fascinating to see how society's views have evolved and how this has impacted our personal experiences. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. How have your perceptions changed? Have you noticed a shift in how people talk about this topic? Your insights could be valuable to others who might be navigating similar experiences. Remember, masturbation is a personal choice and a common practice that can offer various benefits. It's all about understanding your own needs and embracing what feels right for you. Let's dive into the potential benefits of daily masturbation, especially when it comes to your prostate health. You might be surprised to learn that engaging in this activity regularly can actually offer some health perks. Let's explore a few of these benefits together. First up, let's talk about mood improvement. You know those days when everything just feels a bit off? Well, masturbation can help lift your spirits. When you engage in this activity, your body releases endorphins, which are those feel-good hormones. These endorphins can help reduce stress and anxiety, leaving you feeling more relaxed and content. It's like giving your mood a little boost naturally. Now, let's consider the potential link between daily masturbation and a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Some studies suggest that regular ejaculation might help lower the risk of developing prostate cancer. The idea is that frequent ejaculation could help clear out potentially harmful substances from the prostate, keeping it healthier in the long run. While more research is needed to fully understand this connection, it's an interesting possibility to consider. Another benefit you might experience is better sleep. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, masturbation might help you drift off more easily. The release of tension and the relaxation that follows can make it easier for you to fall asleep and enjoy a more restful night. It's a simple, natural way to help improve your sleep quality. Speaking of tension, let's talk about how masturbation can help release it. We all carry stress in different ways, and sometimes it can build up in our bodies. Engaging in regular masturbation can help release that built-up tension, leaving you feeling more at ease. It's a bit like a pressure valve, helping to keep things balanced and manageable. Hormonal balance is another area where daily masturbation might play a role. As we age, our hormone levels can fluctuate, leading to various changes in our bodies. Regular masturbation can help maintain a more stable hormonal balance, which can contribute to overall well-being. It's a way to help your body stay in tune with itself. So, why do these benefits occur? The physiological effects of masturbation can contribute to your overall well-being in several ways. By promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and potentially supporting prostate health, masturbation can be a positive part of your routine. It's about finding what works for you and your body. Of course, it's important to acknowledge that everyone's experience is different. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to listen to your body and do what feels right for you. If you find that daily masturbation brings you benefits, that's great. If not, that's okay too. It's all about personal choice and comfort. Now, you might be wondering if there are any challenges to consider. For some, there might be concerns about privacy or feeling embarrassed. It's important to remember that masturbation is a natural and normal part of life. If privacy is a concern, try to find a time and place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Remember, this is about your well-being, and it's okay to prioritize that. As we wrap up this section, I encourage you to think about your own experiences. Have you noticed any positive effects from regular masturbation? Maybe you've experienced improved mood, better sleep, or just a general sense of well-being. If you're comfortable, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. It's always helpful to hear from others and learn from each other. Remember, The goal here is to explore what works best for you and your body. Whether it's daily masturbation or another form of self-care, the important thing is to prioritize your health and happiness. Keep an open mind and don't be afraid to try new things that might enhance your well-being. Let's explore some of the strange changes that can occur in the prostate when men engage in daily masturbation. You might find it surprising that this regular activity can lead to unexpected changes in the prostate. One of the most noticeable changes is in the size of the prostate itself. Some studies suggest that frequent ejaculation might lead to a slight increase in prostate size. Now, this doesn't mean anything alarming on its own, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you're keeping an eye on your prostate health. Another change you might notice is in the seminal fluid. Daily masturbation can alter the consistency and volume of seminal fluid. This is because the prostate plays a key role in producing this fluid, and frequent ejaculation can affect its production. Again, this isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's good to be aware of how your body responds to different activities. Understanding these changes can help you distinguish between what's normal and what might be a cause for concern. Now, let's talk about PSA levels. PSA, or prostate-specific antigen, is a protein produced by the prostate. It's often measured to assess prostate health. Daily masturbation can sometimes lead to increased PSA levels. This might sound concerning, but it's important to understand that elevated PSA levels don't always indicate a problem. They can be influenced by various factors, including sexual activity. So, if you notice a change in your PSA levels, it might be worth considering your recent habits before jumping to conclusions. However, these changes can pose some challenges. One potential issue is the misinterpretation of prostate health. If you're not aware that daily masturbation can affect PSA levels, you might worry unnecessarily if your levels are higher than expected. This is why it's crucial to have regular medical checkups. These checkups can help you and your healthcare provider distinguish between normal changes and those that might require further investigation. Open discussions with your healthcare provider are also essential. Don't hesitate to bring up any concerns or questions you have about your prostate health. Your doctor can provide valuable insights and help you understand what's normal for you. They can also offer guidance on how to maintain a healthy prostate, taking into account your lifestyle and habits. Understanding these changes is key to distinguishing between normal and concerning symptoms. By being informed, you can take proactive steps to manage your prostate health effectively. It's all about knowing your body and recognizing what's typical for you. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and seek medical advice when necessary. Now let's consider some practical steps you can take. Regular medical checkups are a cornerstone of maintaining good health. They allow your doctor to monitor any changes in your prostate and provide reassurance or further investigation if needed. These checkups are an opportunity to discuss any concerns you might have and to get personalized advice based on your health history and lifestyle. Another important step is to have open and honest conversations with your healthcare provider. Don't shy away from discussing your habits, including masturbation, as it can provide important context for understanding your prostate health. Your doctor is there to help you, and being open about your lifestyle can lead to better health outcomes. It's also helpful to keep track of any changes you notice in your body, whether it's a change in the consistency of your seminal fluid or a difference in your PSA levels. Being aware of these changes can help you and your doctor make informed decisions about your health. Remember, knowledge is power, and being informed about your body is a key part of staying healthy. So, what surprises you most about these changes? Let us know. Your experiences and insights can help others who might be navigating similar concerns. Remember, staying informed and proactive is the best way to maintain your health and well-being. By understanding the potential changes in your prostate, you can take control of your health and ensure that you're doing everything you can to stay healthy and happy. Let's talk about finding the right balance when it comes to masturbation and prostate health. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not be the best for another. Listening to your body is key. If you notice any discomfort or changes, it might be a sign to adjust your habits. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Now, let's consider the importance of individual differences. Some men might find that daily masturbation feels perfectly fine, while others might feel better with less frequency. It's all about what feels right for you. Pay attention to how your body responds and be open to making changes if needed. Health monitoring plays a crucial role here. Regular checkups can help you keep track of your prostate health and catch any potential issues early on. One challenge some people face is over-reliance on masturbation. It can become a habit that overshadows other important aspects of health, like physical activity or social interactions. It's essential to maintain a well-rounded lifestyle. Neglecting other health aspects can lead to imbalances that might affect your overall well-being. So, how can you ensure you're not overdoing it? A holistic health approach is a great place to start. This means considering all areas of your life, from diet and exercise to mental health and social connections. Regular health screenings are another important part of maintaining balance. These screenings can provide valuable insights into your prostate health and help you make informed decisions about your habits. By staying proactive, you can enjoy the benefits of masturbation without letting potential risks overshadow them. Let's explore the underlying reasons why balance is so crucial. When you find the right frequency for you, you can enjoy the positive effects of masturbation, like stress relief and improved mood, without worrying about potential downsides. It's all about ensuring that the benefits don't overshadow any risks. I want to share a personal anecdote that might resonate with you. A friend of mine, who is in his late 60s, found himself feeling a bit off. He was experiencing some discomfort and wasn't sure why. After a conversation with his doctor, he realized that his daily routine might be contributing to the issue. By adjusting his habits and incorporating more physical activity into his day, he found a balance that worked for him. He felt better and more energized, and his overall health improved. This story highlights the importance of being mindful of your habits and making adjustments when necessary. It's not about giving up something you enjoy, but rather finding a way to incorporate it into a healthy lifestyle. So, how do you find balance in your daily habits? It's a question worth considering. Maybe you have a routine that works well for you, or perhaps you're still figuring it out. Either way, it's important to be open to change and willing to try new things. Share your tips and experiences with others. You never know who might benefit from your insights. In conclusion, finding the right balance in masturbation frequency is key to maintaining prostate health. By listening to your body, consulting with doctors, and adjusting your habits as needed, you can enjoy the benefits without the risks. Remember, individual differences matter, and health monitoring is essential. Avoid over-reliance on masturbation and neglecting other health aspects by adopting a holistic health approach and scheduling regular health screenings. Balance ensures that the benefits of masturbation do not overshadow potential risks. So, how do you find balance in your daily habits? Share your tips and experiences. Let's dive into some of the myths and misconceptions surrounding masturbation and prostate health. You might have heard a few of these before, and they can be quite surprising. One of the most common myths is that masturbation can cause blindness. Now, this is a tale as old as time, and it's simply not true. There's no scientific evidence to support this claim. It's one of those stories that might have been told to discourage certain behaviors, but rest assured, your eyesight is safe. Another myth you might have come across is that masturbation leads to infertility. This is another misconception that has no basis in scientific fact. In reality, masturbation is a normal and healthy activity for many people. It doesn't affect your ability to have children. In fact, some studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, can actually be beneficial for prostate health. It helps to clear out the prostate and may reduce the risk of prostate issues later in life. Then there's the idea that masturbation is harmful to prostate health. This is a particularly interesting one because, as I just mentioned, the opposite might be true. Regular ejaculation can help maintain prostate health by flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of inflammation. It's important to understand that the prostate is a gland that plays a crucial role in male reproductive health, and keeping it healthy is essential. So, rather than being harmful, masturbation might actually be a helpful practice for maintaining prostate health. Now, let's talk about why these myths exist in the first place. Often they stem from cultural or religious beliefs that have been passed down through generations. They might have been used as a way to control behavior or instill certain values. However, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to your health. By addressing these misconceptions, we can promote informed decisions and encourage a healthier approach to understanding our bodies. Scientific evidence plays a significant role in debunking these myths. Over the years, numerous studies have been conducted to explore the relationship between masturbation and prostate health. The findings consistently show that there is no negative impact on prostate health from masturbation. In fact, some research suggests that men who ejaculate more frequently have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. This is because regular ejaculation may help to clear out potential carcinogens and reduce inflammation in the prostate. It's also worth noting that masturbation is a personal choice, and it's important to do what feels right for you. If you have concerns or questions about your prostate health, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and help you make informed decisions based on your individual health needs. Addressing these myths and misconceptions is not just about setting the record straight. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to make informed choices about your health. When you have accurate information, you can take control of your well-being and make decisions that are best for you. It's all about promoting a positive and healthy approach to understanding your body and its needs. So, what myths have you heard about masturbation? We encourage you to share them with us. Let's debunk them together and spread the truth. By doing so, we can help others make informed decisions and promote a healthier understanding of prostate health. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better equipped we are to take care of ourselves. In conclusion, it's essential to approach these topics with an open mind and a willingness to learn. By challenging these myths and embracing the facts, we can foster a healthier and more informed perspective on prostate health. So, let's continue this conversation and work together to dispel these misconceptions once and for all. Let's talk about the role of medical guidance when it comes to understanding prostate health. It's something that can make a big difference in your life. Consulting healthcare professionals is crucial, especially as we age. You might wonder why this is so important. Well, let's dive into it. First, regular checkups are a key part of maintaining your prostate health. These appointments give your doctor the chance to monitor any changes and catch potential issues early. It's like having a safety net. You wouldn't want to wait until something feels wrong, right? By seeing your doctor regularly, you can stay ahead of any problems. Another important aspect is the PSA test. This is a simple blood test that measures the level of prostate-specific antigen in your blood. High levels might indicate an issue with your prostate, but only a healthcare professional can interpret these results accurately. It's not something you want to guess about. Your doctor can explain what your PSA levels mean and what steps, if any, you should take next. Discussing symptoms with your doctor is also vital. You might notice changes like difficulty urinating or needing to go more often. These could be signs of an issue with your prostate. But remember, you're not alone in this. Your doctor is there to help you understand what's happening and why. They can provide reassurance and guide you through any necessary treatments or lifestyle changes. Now, let's talk about the importance of professional advice. It's easy to get overwhelmed with information from the internet or well-meaning friends, but your doctor has the training and experience to give you advice that's tailored to your specific needs. They can help you sort through the noise and focus on what's truly important for your health. Tailored health plans are another benefit of consulting with your doctor. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Your doctor can create a plan that's just right for you, taking into account your medical history, lifestyle, and any other factors that might affect your prostate health. This personalized approach can make a big difference in how you manage your health. So, why is medical guidance so important? It ensures that you receive accurate information and appropriate care. With so much information out there, it's easy to get confused or misled. But your doctor can help you navigate this complex landscape. They can provide clarity and peace of mind, knowing that you're taking the right steps for your health. You might face some challenges along the way. Maybe you're not sure how to bring up certain topics with your doctor, or perhaps you're worried about what they might find. These feelings are completely normal. But remember, your doctor is there to support you. They're on your team, and they want to help you stay healthy. If you're feeling hesitant, try to focus on the positive aspects. Think about the peace of mind you'll have, knowing that you're taking proactive steps to care for your prostate health. And remember, you're not alone. Many men face similar challenges, and your doctor has likely helped others in your situation. So, how often do you consult your doctor about prostate health? It's a good question to ask yourself. Regular communication with your healthcare provider can make a big difference. If you haven't been to the doctor in a while, consider making an appointment. It's never too late to start taking charge of your health. I'd love to hear about your experiences. How often do you talk to your doctor about your prostate health? Have you found regular checkups helpful? Sharing your experiences can help others who might be feeling uncertain or anxious. Remember, we're all in this together, and your story could be just what someone else needs to hear. In conclusion, consulting healthcare professionals is a crucial step in understanding and maintaining your prostate health. Regular checkups, PSA tests, and open discussions with your doctor can provide the guidance and support you need. So, take that step and make your health a priority. Let's take a moment to think about how our personal choices intersect with our health. It's fascinating, isn't it? The choices we make every day, like what we eat, how much we move, and yes, even how often we engage in personal activities like masturbation, can have a profound impact on our well-being. Now, you might wonder why this matters. Well, understanding these connections can lead to a deeper appreciation of self-care. It's about recognizing that your actions today can shape your health tomorrow. Consider this: when you choose to walk a little more each day, you're not just moving your body, you're investing in your future mobility. Similarly, when you make choices about your personal habits, you're participating in a form of self-care that can influence your health in unexpected ways. It's not always easy to see the immediate effects, but over time, these small decisions add up. Reflect on your own life. How have your personal choices impacted your health? Maybe you've noticed changes in your energy levels or how you feel overall. It's important to acknowledge any challenges you face, but remember, every day is a new opportunity to make choices that support your well-being. So, take a moment to think about it. How do your daily habits contribute to your health journey? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences. Your insights could inspire others on their path to better health. As we wrap up our discussion on the strange changes in the prostate of men who masturbate daily, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered. We've explored how the prostate, a small but significant gland in the male body, can be affected by daily habits like masturbation. It's important to understand that while some studies suggest potential benefits, such as reduced risk of prostate cancer, others highlight the need for balance. Too much of anything, even something seemingly harmless, can lead to unexpected changes. Now, you might be wondering why balance is so crucial. Well, just like with diet and exercise, moderation is key. Engaging in daily masturbation might seem like a personal choice, but it's essential to consider how it fits into your overall lifestyle. For instance, if it's interfering with your daily activities or relationships, it might be time to reassess. Remember, your health is a holistic picture, and every part of your routine plays a role. It's also vital to seek medical guidance when it comes to prostate health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help you stay informed about what's normal for your body and what might need attention. Don't hesitate to bring up any concerns or questions you have about your prostate health. Your doctor is there to help you navigate these topics with expertise and care. Let's talk about the importance of making informed choices. By understanding the potential effects of daily habits on your prostate, you're better equipped to make decisions that support your well-being. Knowledge is power, and being proactive about your health can lead to better outcomes in the long run. So, stay curious and keep learning about your body and how to take care of it. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on prostate health and daily habits? Have you had any experiences or insights you'd like to share? Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your feedback and stories are invaluable, not just to us, but to the entire community of viewers who are on this journey with you. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of prostate health. We hope you found the information helpful and empowering. Remember, taking charge of your health is a journey, and every step you take is a step towards a healthier, more informed you. Stay curious, stay proactive, and most importantly, stay healthy. We look forward to continuing this conversation with you in future videos. Until then, take care and keep making those informed choices that lead to a better quality of life.